For 2015 to 2018 Mercedes C-Class upgrade central control. This is a friend's Mercedes-Benz. He thinks the original car has less functions, so find our modified car central control. This is our modified large screen radio and its wire. Okay, the modification begins. First of all, let's open the silver panel of the armrest box. Then, loosen the screws that are fixed here. Here we pick up the button panel and unplug all the plugs on the back. Next, loosen the screws that fix the host and take out the host. This grid panel needs to be removed here. Remove the original car screen and unplug all its plugs. Here we will pass through the configured power cord from here and out of the original car screen. Install the base, sort out the plug position and plug it into the back of the new screen. You need to pay attention to screwing here. We plugged the original optical fiber plug into the configured plug. Sort out the wire. Connect one end of the configuration power supply to the original car plug and the other end to the back of the host. After docking, put the host in its original position and fix it with screws. Then, we plug back all the plugs removed from the original button panel. Then reinstall the whole button panel and fix it with screws. After the installation is completed, let's test it. It supports switching to the original car system, support the original car button control, support the original car air conditioning data tips. Let's take a look at its version 8 at 64 processor Android 12. The configuration is very high. You can also enjoy the experience of mobile cinema in the car. It also supports real-time data from the original dashboard. Of course, the most important thing to be missed is its Carplay function, through which you can make phone calls, map navigation and listen to your favorite songs. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. If you need anything, please contact us.